Hey folks, Dave here. I appreciate you stopping by for another video, and I hope everyone's well today. So recently we've made a couple of Mother's Day gifts, and today we're going to make another one. But unlike the first two, the video is not going to be 30 minutes long. It's going to be really short. And it's more about the gift than it is the techniques it takes to create it. So here's what we're going to make. Okay, so we're going to start with an ellipse. So click your circle, push the shift key and just draw out a circle and drop it. Hit your selector tool. So the inner lip of the jar is about 60 millimeters, and we just want to make a lip so the lid we make won't fall off. So go up top, make sure your lock is on, and put 60 in either the width or the height, and then it'll change proportionately. So the overhang on the jar is going to be about 80 millimeters. So we're going to duplicate, Control D, and then go up top and make it 80. And remember, you can push down on your scroll wheel, move the entire canvas around, or you can scroll in and out with it. Okay, so we're putting holes in this for the flower stems to go through, and we have to make sure that they line up with the inner lip and the outer. So that's snapped into place, and if your items are not snapping into place, just go up to not there, don't go there, go here to settings, and make sure that snap to object, snap to grid is turned on, and you'll be okay. Okay, so we're going to grab another circle and just hit the shift key, draw out a small one. That's good enough at 7 millimeters. And then we're going to go over to the array tool, to the X columns, and we're going to just click out about 6 of these. When it comes out of the array tool, it is grouped, so you have to ungroup it. Then we're just going to stagger these and set them on the back of our jar topper, just to have some space in between them. That looks pretty good. We'll just grab them all, set them right here, and that looks fine. So now we want to grab everything, Control D, duplicate it, drag it out, and like I said, we want the holes to line up. So on the first one, you want to click the inner ring and just click delete, get rid of it. On the second one, click the outer ring, click delete, and get rid of it. Now we have our inner lip and our top. And we're going to make 2 of these inner. So Control D, and that's just to make sure it don't slip off the lid because we're using 3 millimeter plywood. Now you can group each one of these. You can group up top, or you can right click and group right here. And if you pull from the right, you get a green line, and all you have to do is touch everything like that, and it'll select. If you come from the left, you get a red line, and that doesn't work. You have to surround everything for it to select, and then we'll group it together. And those are different, but they both have their uses. And the red is primarily for plucking something out of a group of things, so it comes in really handy. Okay, so now we want to write something on it. Well, down here in the south we call Mom Mama. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to say flowers for Mama. I think y'all know I like the Academy engraved for font for times when you don't necessarily need a full engrave. And with the Academy engraved, you can use a line versus a fill. and it comes out looking really nice. We're going to go up and make this a little smaller, probably around 10. And I'll drop a link where you can download the Academy engraved font. And like I've said before, for me, I believe it originally came with Microsoft Office 2007. But I did find a site where you can download it, but I am not 100% sure on whether it can be used commercially or if it's for personal use. So check that out for yourself and use it however you see fit. I don't know why I clicked to select. I guess I was talking too much. Okay, back to the text, and we're just going to put the caps lock on. We will click out flowers, hit the selector tool, hit the text tool again. We're going to do these separately. Same again, selector tool, text tool again, mama. Alright, now we're just going to put these up here, and then we're going to line them up. Maybe we will bend that one a little bit. We'll bend it and click shift, select the other piece, go up to vertical align and click vertical. And sometimes when you're bending, it doesn't come out exactly centered the way you think it should. So you may have to grab the corner and twist that to where you feel that it looks good. I think we will make 4 a little smaller. I'm just grabbing the corner and checking it. And then we're going to line that up as well. Shift, select the outer edge, and then do a vertical align. And then mama, we will make a little larger, because mamas are awesome and they deserve the largest font. We're going to do the same thing here. Align a little bit. Okay, we need to set our text to engrave, but to explain that red line versus green line better, note that the 4 is surrounded completely, but flowers and mama are not, and it only selects the 4. But coming from the right, get a green line, and you only have to touch to select all of them. Okay, we'll set that to engrave. We're going to make it a line, and that's probably a little too much power. We'll change it to 30, probably make the speed about 80. This is a 40-watt laser, and now we're going to move this line for the text up top. You always want to cut last, so remember that, and you will save yourself some wood. Okay, I think we're ready to go to the laser and cut this out, and then I will go pick a few flowers and we'll put this all together and see what it looks like. Okay folks, let's hop in the laser. I'll be right back. Alright, I believe we're ready, so I'll send the code on over. We'll cut these out. Alright, I'm going to glue these pieces together and grab some shears and go chop on my wife's roses. She'll like that. And then we'll take a look at this and see how it looks. Be right back. Okay, well here's our finished project. I think it turned out pretty good. I just glued the 2 smaller pieces to the bottom of the larger piece and then put a thin coat of polyurethane on top to keep the wood from warping. If you give this a try and you have questions, just let me know in the comments and I'll get you an answer. I'll drop links to the Academy engraved font But like I said, I have not confirmed the commercial use of it, so be sure to do that. I'll also drop links to our last two videos on Mother's Day gifts. Give you something else to make if you like. If you have questions about anything we have posted or any general laser or Lightburn questions, just let me know those. Like I said before, I don't sleep a lot, and I may as well be answering questions while I'm not sleeping. I do appreciate you folks taking time to watch. It does help the channel grow, and I appreciate your comments. So just check back often for new videos. You folks take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.